there, I'm Amy Baird, and I'm joined today by Seamus, who's a happy dog at his home in Montecito. We are at a coveted part of Montecito in the Upper Village. The street is called El Bosque, and El Bosque in Spanish means the forest. And as you'll see, this particular street is lined with beautiful oaks, so the canopy of the trees really enshrouds all these estates. This is a really particularly beautiful home. The owners love France, are actually French, so to them the Mediterranean vibe is something that they are in love with. But they're going to part with it and find something else, so we're going to show it to you today and give you a sneak peek of what's inside. We've got a lot in store to explore, and more visitors waiting for us. So this home has a really great floor plan, which is now hugely popular. And the open floor plan allows, of course, entertaining, which is what these people love. But this house was actually built in 1988 with this open concept. And it's a little unusual, but it's thought to be a very French country estate with a comfortable yet relaxed feel. And what we like, not just in this kitchen and great dining, is that behind us in this estate, which is just under an acre, is a wine cellar. So more dining can take place, after dinner drinks, dessert, whatever you like, but we'll get a look at that as well. What you don't get through the camera lens is the smell of this room. And at some point, technology may have scratch and sniff, but right now we don't. And as soon as you step into this room, the olfactories go crazy on all of the redwood. We've got a 4,000 bottle capacity wine cellar here, which is pretty awesome. For any kind of wine enthusiast or collector, this is a great space. Even if somebody does not imbibe, it is a great room to entertain. Normally I'm in flats, but being that we're at a property that fully embraces the French culture, I wore my French shoes. Not appropriate for boule, but we're gonna make the case. Pétanque is one of the many games that people play for boule. It is the French version of bocce, and it is taken very seriously by the people who live here and by many people around the world. Apparently, France is considering adding it to as an Olympic sport when they host the coming games, so stay tuned on that. What's interesting to consider here is that as you've seen the property and we're surrounded by these beautiful canopies of oak trees, we've got the mountains in the background. We're so close to the ocean that right now there's a cruise ship in the harbor, and if you were able to hear what I'm hearing, the cruise ship is actually billowing its horn because it's a little sucked in along the ocean, which is so cool to consider. We're literally at less than a 10-minute drive to the beach from this property. And yet you feel like you're a lifetime or many miles away. So after you've had a busy day in this home of playing at boule and hanging out in the hot tub, jacuzzi, this wine cellar, and in the game room, you know, we all get a little tired like this guy. And we're in the master bedroom where you can really recharge your batteries. It's a beautiful master suite. It has his and hers closets, has a mountain view, fireplace, gorgeous bathroom, and pups to snuggle. So I don't know if you'd need anything more. They've got their own little space, and life is good, especially when you're a dog living in Montecito. We've got so many features on this property that you'll get to see if you haven't seen them already. And we do believe that it's going to make somebody a beautiful home. Whether you're a dog or a biped, it's got something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on American Dream TV. Look forward to seeing more of you.